What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every week. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, Exado, the social marketplace built for car, truck, and bike lovers to buy, sell, and bid on rides and parts. Launching August 1st. Join the waitlist at the first link in our description.
What are you doing?
Well, that's not what I expected on the route back from the most unforgettable trip in Vietnam. Join me as we ride north as far as the border with southern China, across epic landscapes, limestone valleys and legendary mountain passes. I'll be visiting some of northern Vietnam's most famous landmarks, such as God's Eye Mountain, Nguyen Ma Dao Caves, Phang Giot Waterfalls and some other lesser known mountain roads, snaking down the Cao Chau Pass to one of the remotest areas in the country. Then, returning south to our starting point in the capital city of Hanoi. Let's jump straight into day one, a wet and miserable ride to Ba Be National Park, where our journey really begins.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the secret ride. Oh, there's a bit of dust on the camera. This week we are in Vietnam and we are going for a big adventure up north. We're going to visit Cao Bang, Bao Lac, do some crazy mountain passes. It's going to be a right adventure. Starting off from Hanoi today, we've got to get up to Ba Be Lake, which is probably going to be about a 4 hours ride on my trusty steed, the old XR. We're all packed up and ready to go. Probably going to do a few miles in Hanoi city first to show you what it's like, because it's absolutely mental. And then we'll head on and get the camera back on when the scenery's about. See you in a bit, guys. Well, it's a little bit rainy. It's horribly and drizzly this morning. So we're going to have a full day of rain, unfortunately, on the bike. So I'm just going to immerse you into a bit of Hanoi, and then I might turn off and we'll turn back on when we've got the scenery. Right. Immerse yourself into the chaos, is how it works. You just go for it, guys. John L. Coat. See what I mean, guys? Fucking mental. I mean, look, all the Viets out here in fucking no shoes, just fucking bare feet and sandals, and I'm complaining about a pair of wet socks. Oh, beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm just holding you up on my helmet at the minute, so if the camera angle's a bit weird. We're currently in the middle of nowhere in Vietnam, on the way up to Ba Be. It's been a terrible ride this morning. Through all the highways, it's been drizzling, it's been horrible, absolutely soaked wet through, but it's starting to get interesting now. Oh, look at this, it's getting mucky as puppy. Here's your first buffalo, calf down there as well, look. Pig in the back.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god, my arm. Oh, you need to pop the curb. You gotta go over the curb. Floor it.
Instead of a Tahoe, this is a Tahome. Well, they're about to have one TV. How many horsepower that thing got? How much horsepower? You want to chase me? Let's chase me right now. What's happening? We got a U-Haul going. What the hell is happening? We got a U-Haul going the wrong way. Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, you're going the wrong way. Oh, you need to pop the curb. You gotta go over the curb. Hit the curb. Crank the wheel. Yeah, crank the wheel. Go over the curb. You got it. It's a rental. Don't be gentle. Oh my God, she's actually hitting it. Let's go. Oh shoot, she gets stuck. Floor it. Oh my God. Hopefully no valuable cargoes in that. Well, what a way to start off a vlog. Let's just start off at that. That was exciting. It's a rental. Don't be gentle. Man, be going the wrong way. Well, now that we're getting the vlog started, we're going to check on the crackheads with a houseboat to see if they take it off the trailer. It's been raining. Maybe they were smarting on the Noah's Ark and they're up there just chilling while all the other crackhead friends are floated away. But we will continue fully pinned on the 110 till we get there. So check it with y'all in 20 minutes. You know, they just left all that copper out? No way. Bro, that's got to be a bait trap. No way, bro. They literally left all this copper out. That is insane. Bro, that's literally straight copper. Oh my God. Oh, they're honking at me. Oh, security. Oh no, I'm about to get yelled at. What's up? Huh? What's up? I'm looking at the copper, bro. Yeah, I know. You can't be leaving all that copper out in Dallas. Okay, good. Yeah, I was about to... What up? Yeah, I was about to say, you can't be doing that. Somebody's gonna steal it. Not me, but...
Don't come around here no more, man.
Me? That's not... This is the median, bro. Oh, okay.
Okay, so...
You don't have to catch me to trespass me, though. You will have a problem catching this 110, bro. You want to chase me? Let's chase me right now. Come on, I'll mess with the copper a little bit more. You can chase me. It'll be fun. You ain't catching me, bro. Guaranteed.
Okay, I probably won't. You're right.
Yeah. Have a good one. Good rest of your day. Bro, think you're gonna catch me on a 110, bro? No, sir. I'll burn him up on one wheel. Oh my God, it's a turtle. What is happening, bro? I can't ride 5 minutes without seeing something. Or not even 5 minutes, like a minute without seeing something. You got it, my guy. You're almost there. No, get out of your shell, bro. Hopefully you're not a snapping one. Oh, nature. Steve Irwin.
I just like to kiss her.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop, and if you want to rep the moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.